Okay, in this video we're going to go look at quizzes and tests. So I'm currently at the announcements page. I go back to course map. Week 0, for example, if I'm doing the assignments for that week, during which you do have to take a syllabus search quiz, notice, and you have to get 100% on it. And it says click on the All Quizzes and Tests button on the left to access it. So one way to access quizzes is to come all the way at the bottom, and I'm going to go to the bottom and click it. You won't be able to see it because it's outside of the window of this video, but it is at the very bottom. That's how you click, or that's how you access the quiz. So I went to the bottom left and clicked on All Quizzes and Tests, and then I click on the Syllabus Search quiz for week 0. Notice there is no time limit, and you have as many times attempts as you would like to take the quiz, but you do need to get 100% to do the following quizzes. So you click on Syllabus Search and say I'm ready to start. All of these requirements you will have met because you will have done the orientation homework, and then you go through and you do all the questions of the quiz. Just be careful not to click submit quiz until you're completely done. So make sure you do not do that. Another way to access quizzes for chapter quizzes is if you're on that week. For example, in week 1, after the discussion assignment, you're going to take chapter quizzes by clicking this link. And once you click that link, it lists the 2 chapter quizzes for week 1 that you have to do. Notice each quiz you can take it twice and the better score will count. Chapter 1 is shorter, so it's 30 minutes, it's timed, and Chapter 2 is longer, so it's 60 minutes. Within that time period, you should be able to do the quiz and review it. Notice Chapter 1, I got rid of the prerequisites so I can access and show it to you, but Chapter 2 says you have to score at least 70% on all of those sections of the homework, and that'll apply for all chapter quizzes. You will not be able to take them unless you've done at least 70% scores on your homework sections. You click I'm ready to start. And then again, you go through all the questions, you complete the questions, and then when you're done, and you will see the time remaining here, and it'll show you this test has 25 points and how many you have complete. So far I have completed none of them. When you're done, you can also go to next question by clicking these buttons. When you're done, you're gonna submit the quiz, and it'll say you have not completed so many questions. Are you sure? You will say yes, or you will say no and go back and complete them. So in my case, I will say yes. Notice I didn't fill anything for any of them, so I got all of them wrong. And once you submit your quiz, you can review your test or your quiz. So I can review it, and when I review it, it tells me, if I put my cursor over the field, it tells me you answered nothing. If I had answered something, it would display that. And in the box, it has the correct answer for me. So if I go to number 2, it has the correct answer for me. I left it blank. It says you answered nothing. So this is a good way to review your quiz before that second attempt, so you can go and improve your score. So immediately after, you can go ahead and review your score. When the midterm or for classes that have tests become available, again, you can go to the very bottom. Unfortunately, it's not displaying in this window. It says All Homeworks and Quizzes. You click that, and then it'll display the midterm or the test for you, and you click on it and you do it the exact same way that you do the quizzes.